Okay, we're going to start by doing a little demo of these CBZ scripts. First you want to launch the Terminal app, and you can see you'll have a folder with comics in it, and so you can dump these scripts into that folder. You can see we have the EPUB one and the PDF one. So start in the terminal and type CD space, and then you can drag the folder of your comics in there. I'll just write the path real quick, then type Python and the name of the script, which is EPUB to CBZ.py, and then space and period, and that will just say search the current folder, and then it'll create a virtual environment, download dependencies or whatever you need, and start running and processing all the EPUBs. It goes pretty fast. It's just crawling the EPUBs and copying the images that are inside, so the transition is a one-to-one. You don't lose any quality. And you can see we have a bunch of CBZs here now. We can check them over. I'm using a simple comic to preview CBZs. And you can see this one looks like it transferred okay. And we'll just open another one. Simple Comic has a page viewer, so you can see all the pages at once and see if you're missing any, and it looks like they all came through just fine. Next we'll try PDFs. They take a little longer. It's the same process, Python space and then the name of the script. This time PDF to CBZ.py, and again space period to crawl the current directory and hit enter or return. It'll download the dependencies and then start processing, and it's rendering the PDF and rasterizing it, so it takes a little while to do these, and then the quality can vary depending on what settings you use, but the default setting is 300 dpi, which is pretty high. That's print quality. You can go higher if you really want to, but it'll make the processing time take longer. You can see it's taking a little while. Now it's on the second one, and we can preview this Tank Girl comic and see how it looks. If at any time you want to quit the process, you can hit Control-C on your keyboard and it'll stop it. It looks like those pages worked. See, we're almost done with this Ghost in the Shell. And we'll zoom in on it and just take a peek at what the quality looks like. See here, the original PDF was 300 megabytes, and so the converted file is about 220, so it's a little smaller. We'll go to a page with an image in it and zoom in, and you can see, zoom way in, you can see the dot pattern from the screen, and it's pretty good quality, so that looks good. And then it looks like the third comic is finished, and we're done. You can delete the V&V folder, and now you have a whole bunch of CBZs.